Well, we're doing something different today. Oh boy. This is gonna be a very strange stream. Alright. Well, hello everybody. Undertale music's so good. Alright. Are we lagging? Might be. Well, hello and welcome to my desktop. Yeah, we're doing something a little different today. This isn't your average stream. Yeah, I'm gonna be coding a plugin today for team trees. So let's go. The idea is that for a Minecraft challenge, what we're gonna be doing is making it so whenever you walk, saplings will place at your feet, and you have to win Minecraft like that. So that's the idea. Now I'm gonna be opening up some code here. This is a plugin I made for Ben Mascot yesterday. Oh, we're lagging a little bit. So, it seems our connection's dying a little bit, but that will fix itself soon. Now, I think I'm gonna have to zoom in here. Let's do view zoom. Where's view? There we go. Where is zoom? I probably should have figured this out before the stream started. I'm gonna have to Google it. Great. IntelliJ how to zoom. Can you zoom in? Okay. Control Alt S. Control Alt S. Ah, there we go. Zoom. So how's it going, guys? Yeah, we're gonna be doing a chill little stream here. Now, why is this? How do you zoom in? Change the option. Change font size. Ah, it literally pointed it out for me. There we go. So if I do this, there we go. All right, now the stream can actually read this. All right. Alright, so can you guys see what's happening on screen? You're probably going to have to full screen here so you can fully see what's happening. Alright, so this is World of Blocks. So this is a plugin I made for Ben Mascot. We don't have to worry about it. I'm going to be changing it. Everything's nice. Alt F4 to zoom, yes. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to close project. And then I'm going to open over here. This is my plugins folder. Now, I'm going to copy my template plugin. Where are you? Plugin template. Paste it. And then we're going to rename it to Too Many Trees. Too Many Trees. Alright, there we go. So then we have Too Many Trees. So now here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go in there, delete the Git repository that starts with this thing because I don't want to accidentally upload to my template repository. That'd be bad. Okay, so then we do open. Users, ThirtyVirus. Documents, programming, spigot, plugins. Now it should be in here. Too many trees. Boom. Coding is weird. Is the stream good? Are we good? Or is things a little laggy? Because YouTube's warning me that it's laggy. I hope we're okay. Everybody say potato in the chat if everything's good. Okay. So now, okay, we're good. YouTube's saying no data though. It's really annoying. I don't know why it's doing that. Stream is good. Okay, I have an idea. So I'm gonna open Task Manager here. No data. Oh, Are we back? We're back. Okay, the connection's having a seizure today, apparently. I don't know why. Anyway, let's try this. Let's continue on. Bro, I don't know what's happening. Man, the connection, I hate this freaking network. Okay. Too many trees for craft bucket / spigot. Made by Brandon ThirtyVirus. Calories. Alright. There we go. Share. So now we have a GitHub for this. Yeah, laggy virus, I know. Initial commit. And now we have ourselves a little plugin here. Now there's some stuff we're going to have to do, some housekeeping to make this plugin actually work. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can actually open up our test server here. And I can start... Ooh, is that going to hurt my connection? Ugh. Like again. Why? Why does the connection have to die? It's dying again. Bruh. What is with this network connection right now? I feel like if I run a server, that's just going to make this worse. You know, I try to do a good thing, and then YouTube's just like, nope. What is happening to the network? I'm just trying to play like a... What's taking network? OBS? Chrome? Why is Discord on? Discord needs to go away. End task. There we go. That might help it a little bit. IntelliJ. Ooh, maybe it could be... Okay, yeah. I don't understand what's happening, but, like, I literally can't even, like... I'm not getting anything back. It won't because the local server... Oh, yeah. Why is it saying I'm lagging? Maybe I should just refresh the page. I'm going to refresh the page on the other monitor because I'm getting crazy lag. I think it might be because of IntelliJ, to be honest, because this is a strangely demanding program. All right, we're going to run a local server here. Well, the thing is, it says it's not... Well, you guys are saying it's not lagging, but, like, it looks like it's lagging on my end. Weird. Anyway. Here's what we're going to do. We have to go into the output settings here. What is it? Artifacts? Yeah. Rename it so that the jar file that's made is called Too Many Trees. There we go. Alright, that's good. Apply. So basically the... back to what I was doing before, the housekeeping that we're doing is renaming everything to the new thing. So instead of template plugin, this is going to be called Too Many Trees. So if we were to refactor, rename. I already made this template like half a year ago. It's pretty great. It's fine on our end. Okay, good. Maybe I just needed to refresh the thing. Too Many Trees. I'm sorry if everything's too small. I am using a 1440p screen. There we go, Too Many Trees, and then instead of this being called template, we're going to rename it to TMT, because Too Many Trees. Refactor. Do refactor. Thank you very much. Alright, then we go in the config, do the same thing. Yeah, so you guys are going to love this little template plugin I made. It's, like, really great. Oh, would you look at that? It actually renamed it in here somehow. Huh. Good job. Well, anyway, that's the config file. I have a language file as well. Yeah, that's done. Plugin.yml. Oh. Well, that didn't... Huh, that's weird. How'd that happen? See, sometimes it doesn't work properly, so you gotta check everything. So... This is the plugin.yml. This basically tells the server, hey, this is the main function, or the main file is over here. This is the version. This is the name of the plugin. This is the API version. Commands, TMT, I guess, is going to be the name of it. Yep, that's the main command. TMT help. And then the permissions nodes. I don't think we're going to need these, but whatever, we might as well. Alright, good. So we have the permissions nodes done, as well as the main command. Oh, it's showing lag again. I don't know. This freaking connection problems are going to be the end of me, I swear. I think that's everything. Oh, here's something else I should probably do too. I should comment out this line, because I have some things in here that prove that it, like, the plugin works. I might as well leave the inventory click one on so I know what's happening. Okay, build, boom. Let's see if that works. Go in our plugin folder. I have this set up, so it should make a plugin in my folder here. Too many trees.jar. Hey, look at that. We already have ourselves a jar. So now let's open up Minecraft here. Go to our local hosted server that I have running right now. Alright. Weather clear. Game rule. Do weather cycle false. Okay, so then plugman load too many trees. It's been loaded and enabled. So the only way we're going to know that this worked is... That's not what I wanted. Music and sounds. So we're playing in 1.13 or 1.14.3 for this, because that's the most versatile version I have for coding this plugin. Now, how do I test this again? Which thing did I leave in? The inventory click. Okay, so when I do this, when I click anything in an inventory, it should make a noise. Okay, good. The plugin's working. Nice. Alright, neat. So we have a working plugin. Yeah, just ignore all that craziness over there. We don't have to worry about that. Okay, so we'll get rid of that. So the hard part of making a plugin is already done. Believe it or not, we actually have... Oh, there's one thing I forgot with the command. There's a few things here. tmt.user, tmt... Oh, no, that was handled for us. Wow. Nice. Yeah, so that means that technically the command infrastructure should work. So if I do /tmt... Oh, see, it didn't work. That's because I... Hold on. There's one little thing that's probably missing. Get command tmt set executor. Oh, I didn't start... Okay. Command autofill doesn't work unless you do this. You have to restart the server. Commands... Like, if you use plugman to load a plugin, it won't actually do the autofill properly. Thank you for the super chat, GamerBoyPlays. Hi, I love your videos. Can you add me on Discord so we can maybe talk personally? Oh. Well, my soundproofing just fell off the door. Sorry, I don't have people on Discord. I'm sorry. I'm probably gonna have to get that later. Okay. There we go. No, trust me, there's gonna be too many trees by the time this is done. Okay. TMT. There it is. See? TMT. Help, info, reload, and tutorial. So the help menu shows all of the... Oh, it still says template plugin in the thing. But it shows all the commands in the chat, as you could see. TMT info. Version 1.0 by ThirtyVirus. It links my YouTube, my Twitter, my Speaking MC. Pretty cool stuff. It's already done. All the annoying stuff that is involved in making a plugin. So I think, are we ready to get into the meat and potatoes of the plugin? Is there anything I'm missing? Oh, I could go into main plugin command. Oh, that's weird. You only zoom in per file. All right. Well, anyway, if I go to info here, instead of the best plugin template ever, we should do this. Team trees, right? Chat color.green. Yeah, there we go. Team trees. Help, info, tutorial, reload. We're also going to need another command called toggle, and that's going to toggle the challenge. As I said earlier, the challenge of this is that, is the C# no, it's Java. The meat and potatoes. Now, the way this will work, we need to add a toggle because the challenge will spawn trees at your feet constantly, and that's like a Minecraft challenge because you're gonna get suffocated in blocks, and all the pathways you walk on are gonna get blocked, and you're gonna basically need an axe, and you're gonna be chopping a lot of trees, but you're also gonna be planting a lot of trees. Anyway, so we need to add the toggle command, which is really easy. So I just added this to the help menu to say that you can do toggle. So now if I go into main plugin command, oh, that's this file. I scroll up, I copy the code for reload. See, here's a great thing about code, copy paste. So instead of reload, we can have toggle here. So this will require the admin permission because you're toggling a pretty important plugin. And if you don't have permission, it will send you the no permissions message. And instead of calling reload, we're gonna have a variable in the main file here. Let's see. Custom setting we can get rid of later, but we'll keep it for now. Public static. People don't like public static, but it's really great for quick and dirty plugins like this. Public static. What was I gonna do? Boolean enabled is equal to false. And then all I do. Enable. Oh wait. Then I can do too many trees dot enabled is equal to not too many trees dot enabled. But that's not all we need to do, so I'm going to actually cut that, put it in here, and then I'm also going to do sender dot send message enabled, and then plus too many dot enabled. There we go. So what that does is it flips a variable. It's not really that complicated. Yeah, there we go. Done. So now the command works, but now we need to actually, yeah, so it starts off by default not working, which is good. We don't want to just start planting trees the second we log in because that'd be obnoxious. All right. What is next? So then we go into helpers, utilities, zoom in. Then at the bottom here, public static void tree place tick. I'm going to call it that. Nope. Put the thing there. Thank you. So this is the function that's going to get called every time the game decides it wants to plant trees. So then what we need to do is go into on enable, and we need to create what's called a scheduled task. I have a little template one here that I'm going to grab from because again, it's a public, or it's a plugin template. So it's got all the stuff I need in it already. We don't need any sort of variable there. To fix the tabs, I just cut and paste again. Bucket.getScheduler.schedule sync repeating task. Yeah. Don't need most of this. Oh wait, hold on. That's the line I want. The other one I don't need. That was taken from uShops, if you guys are wondering. I don't know if you guys even know what uShops is, but that's fine. Okay, so these two variables, this is like, I don't remember what the difference between the first and the second one is. I usually set them to the same value, but that's the delay. So 20 is 1 second because there's 20 ticks in a second because it's Minecraft. So every second, this task will repeat. So all I got to do is do utilities dot tree place tick. So every second, this method will be called. Actually, it might be better to do this every half a second because sometimes you're running and, yeah. Well, we'll configure that later. Okay. Scheduled task. There we go. So every second, this will be done here. Hey, Colleen Kermit, thank you for the super chat. And that's a dab. Hashtag nerd stuffs. Yes. This is indeed nerdy. But it is
had to survive
glorious.
for like 1 more second, Anthony.
Okay.
No!
Well, anyway.
No way!
I probably should just disable tutorial because there's not much to configure as a user in this plugin, so I'm just going to remove it, which also means I should probably remove it from this little help menu over here. Tutorials not needed. That's a feature from Ultimate Shops that brings up like a book and stuff. You don't need it. And I should also go into the tab complete and remove tutorial. There we go. Oh, and I also should add, sorry it's tiny, I'm too lazy to zoom in, toggle to the tab autocorrect. There you go. Okay, anyway, that brings us to, so we've done all the housekeeping. There's nothing else that's really needed. That needs to be done here as far as I'm aware. So now we're only working in this utilities class in the tree place tick function or method. It's Java, whatever. So anyway, this will get called every second when the plugin is enabled. So what are we going to do? Well, I'm going to do a for loop. For bucket.getOnlinePlayers. So, oh, hold on. For player. So what this does is it loops through every player that's online. So we're going to need to get a location. L is equal to player.getLocation. So then we need to place a tree or a sapling at their feet, which is interesting. So let's try this. This is probably not going to work, but this is the art of programming. You just test something, and if it doesn't work, then try something else. So we're going to do block B is equal to L.getBlock. Okay. And then if b.getType is equal to material.air, or b.getType is equal to material. Hi, Aiden Greenidge, thank you for the super chat. What's he say? Team Cocoa Bean Trees. No. I just got on the stream because I was editing. Anyways, I'm interested about your thought process since I'm gonna be a coder man. If it doesn't mess you up, could you catch me up? I mean, the thing is, this is a template. A lot of the work's already been done for me, but I made the template, so it's not like I'm cheating in any way. Does this work? Oh, it doesn't. This thing's annoying. So Cave Air is a thing. It's just that I am importing the wrong versions of Java. Or no, not Java, of Bucket, so we're going to have to fix that quick. But yeah, I mean, this will be a VOD, and it's so far pretty short, so I mean, it won't be that bad to watch it. It's probably better than me just rambling for another 20 minutes. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to remove this for now, since we're only working in the one version. We're going to add imports spigot 1.14.3. Yes. That should get rid of our little error there. There we go. Okay. So basically, we get the location where the player is. If the block at their feet is air or cave air, then theoretically just b.setType material dot sapling. Is that a thing? Sapling. Oh, okay, oak sapling. Ooh, we could have a little fun here and make it be a random sapling. What do you guys think of that, huh? All right, you know what? I'm gonna demonstrate something here, and we're gonna make a little setting, right? So if I go to enabled, and underneath I do public static boolean random saplings is equal to false. And I'll set it to true, actually, so we can see it working. Well, I'll set it false for now. And then what we could do is go into utilities, go up here, create a little thing. That was probably disorienting. And we can go public static. Actually, private static is better. Private static void. Random rand is equal to new random. What did I do wrong there? Oh, not void. There we go. Random rand is equal to new random. That's a very common Java thing. Okay, so here we go. So then what we could do, int bleh, that's not good programming practice. We're going to call it sapling type, fine, is equal to rand.next int, and then we're going to set like 1 to 5, I don't know. Now, does that generate from 0 to 5 or 1 to 5? I don't know. Anyway, switch sapling type. Case 1. We're going to do oak. And then break. Case 2. Copy case 1. Actually, I have a better idea. We'll just do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. See, that's the thing about coding. So sapling, acacia. Wait, there's bamboo in this version? What? Ooh, we're not doing that. Sapling, birch. Copy pasting is your best friend, but it's also your worst enemy because copy pasting is where a lot of mistakes come from. Dark oak. Sapling in jungle. Sure, we'll do that. Okay, there we go. Nice. It's 0 to 5. All right, cool. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to do +1. So what that does is it generates a random number from 0 to 4, and then adds 1. Thank you, chat. Okay. Nice. So that should be it. So yeah, what this does is for every player in the game, while the plugin's enabled, it gets to the location, which I'm guessing is their feet location, right? Probably. And then it gets the block, and if the block is air, then put a sapling there. So let's try it. Build. Oh, I didn't mean to click that one. Build module. That's not what I wanted. I didn't want to click that. I wanted to click build like a regular person. I think it did the same thing anyways. Plugman. Reload. Too many trees. Alright, so let's see if this works. Wait, no way. It already works. Oh, we're getting some interference from the other plugin I made. Ooh, okay. Yeah, this is neat. There's a bunch of barrier blocks all over the place, but that's because I have a different plugin going. I don't know if it's still on. It's not. Okay, well, the plugin's already doing exactly what I wanted it to do, so that's kind of awkward. Look at that. Yes. So, I forgot to actually implement, like, I'm pretty sure your location's based on your head. Nope, it's based on my feet. Anyway, so my guess was right, but I also forgot to do an if statement here. So what I'm supposed to be doing, first of all, what I need to do, if too many trees dot enabled. So if it's not enabled, I'm going to put an exclamation point there, then return. So it won't do that unless it's enabled. So that's my first mistake. My second mistake is not implementing just standard oak. So that's when we do this. If too many trees dot random saplings, then do that. And then at the bottom we do else. Then just set it to oak. I think this might have been a little too easy. Just kind of funny. Oh, I forgot spruce.
Well then.
Oh, I did. Okay, hold on.
Double hitter! No!
There we go. Well, thank you for the donation, Gamer Boy Plays. Can you say this so it will trigger my brother? Kevin, Fortnite is bad and Adam will not play it because Minecraft is better. I agree with this statement. Anyways. Okay, good. So now, obviously, a little problem we had, right, is that our tick speed was not fast enough with the command, or with the thing. So let's go back into on enable. Instead of 10, we're going to set this to like 2. So it's going to be 5 times faster. It will run this check. Now, this isn't going to be the most performance-friendly plugin, but we're just doing this as a test. All right, so plugman reload too many trees. All right, so let's see if that worked. Okay, so it's not placing saplings anymore, which is a good sign. Then I got to do too many trees. Toggle. Ah, look at that. We're placing trees. Oh, yeah. Now, there's one little problem with this. It places them in the air, which is a little bit of an issue. I mean, look at that. That was so much easier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, my God. All right, I'm going to fix my controls. Hold on. I need to have my sprint button to R. Oh, where are you, sprint button? Sprint. Oh, it is set to R. Okay, we're good. Yeah, look at that. It spawns saplings right on my feet. Such sloppy code. Hey, I'm doing it quick. It's not meant to be proper or efficient. It is meant to be efficient. It's meant to get the job done quick. So now we gotta run a check to make sure it won't spawn saplings like this, because that's just dumb. So the way we're gonna fix that is by going back in here. Okay. So instead of what I just did here, to clean up the code, we're actually going to remove that. And we're going to do if not this, then return. So what that does is it makes it so that all this following code here can be more to the left. So then I can go in here, put a comment, make sure that the block the player's feet is air. That's not English, but whatever. All right, and then what we could do, make sure that the block under the, or no, make sure the block the player is standing on is not air. So the reason why we want that is because we want to make sure there's a block underneath. So if we do if, so then we get B, then we're going to have B2 is equal to B dot get block dot B dot, oh, I see. L dot translate? No. All right, L dot add. There we go. That might just be whatever. Okay, so we're gonna do 0, -1, 0. Oh, it's wrong. Oh, dot get block. There we go. This could probably do a no pointer if I'm like just above the void. Not a fan of that. To do fix possible null pointer. Anyway, we'll leave that there. For right now, we'll just roll with it. So if B2 dot, yeah, we'll do B2 instead of B1. So instead of, we'll just have it without the not. So if the block underneath is air or cave air, we don't want that because that means floating saplings. So boom. Let's see if that works. Okay, there we go. So now the plugin should probably remove these. Yeah, we got rid of most of them. Okay, and then we do TMT toggle. So now it's placing blocks on my feet. Now if I fly, it's not placing any saplings. There we go. Ooh. Uh-oh, we could put saplings on top of saplings. That also doesn't seem right. Now, there's a bunch of blocks that are not compatible with this, and there's a way to fix that. Hey, Sky, thank you for the donation. Hashtag Team Trees. Yes. So there's a few things we should do. So instead of what we just did, there's a more efficient way to go about doing this. So what we're going to do is go up. I'm actually just going to take that. Copy that. We're going to go up here, and we're going to make what's called a list. All right. We're going to go here. Kind of like what I did here, actually. Oh, it's actually exactly what I did here. Okay, so this is going to be useful. So we're going to take this exactly. Okay, so we're going to copy that. Go underneath. Private static final set material. Instead of transparent, we're going to call it don't place. It's a set of material. Enum set of. Yeah, so then we're going to do material. Actually. Ooh. No. Material dot air. Material dot cave air. So then I do that. Okay. So now we have don't place with the two block types in it. Then we go back down here. Yeah, this. So then if don't place dot contains, and then we do b2 dot get type, then return. So what this does is if the block underneath the player is in that list, then don't place a sapling. So then if I go up here, don't place. So we don't want to place on any form of air or cave air material. Now this is where things get a little annoying. Material dot sapling. Let's do oak for now, just for proof of concept. So we're not placing on any form of oak sapling. Material dot leaves. We don't want to place saplings on leaves because that doesn't make sense either. Oak leaves. Material dot water because you can't plant on water. There we go. All right, so let's see how that does. Build project. Open these. Plug man reload as soon as it's done. It is. Toggle. As you can see, we're not going to plant in water. Oh. You can't plant on gravel. Oh, wait a minute. I could probably make this way simpler than it needs to be. Hold on. It doesn't plant on anything except for... Oh, I see. Alright, so in order to make this plugin more fun, we might have to actually put dirt underneath all the time. Because the easiest way to avoid this would just be to go underground, which would be stupid. Okay, now, you know what? We're changing things up. See, this is the process of programming. Yeah, okay. So this is better. So instead of this, we're just gonna get rid of that, and we're gonna do the nuclear option. We're just gonna literally place a freaking dirt block underneath you, no matter what. So yeah, so we're gonna do b2 dot set type material dot dirt. That's way simpler than all of this malarkey. So we don't even need that. Bye. There we go. Okay. There. Oh. Oh, I accidentally made... I accidentally just made Scaffold. I just made Scaffold. Bro, I'm hacking. 30Virus is hacking. He makes hacks. He should be banned from Hypixel. Oh my. I actually just freaking made Scaffold. Yo, that's sick. This is kind of neat though. Look at that. Whoa. I have a simple fix for this, but I just can't help but be amazed by it. Oh. Oh, that is so freaking good. I could just walk no matter what. Look at this. ThirtyVirus codes hacks confirmed. What happens if I break it underneath? Oh, the plugin just replaces it. This is fine. What the hell am I doing? Look at this! It's planting trees! Don't get your YouTube rank revoked again. But this is so fun! I'm planting trees in the air! Okay, this needs to be a feature. That's a bug, but it needs to become a feature. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a literal thing called Scaffold. Public static for Boolean scaffold. Oh my god, that's great. Okay, let me see. Oh, where is it? Oh wait, that's the wrong thing. We go here. Ah, man. Oh, so you know what? We kind of do need... Never mind. I'm stupid. Wait. I'm trying to think. So it needs to not do that. If it's air? Yeah. Okay, so we technically do still need that list. So I'm going to get it back. Hold on. Hey, Angry Ninja, thank you for the super chat. If else statement, if block below player is dirt. That's kind of what it is. Well, no, not really. It set the block to dirt. Okay, I gotta find this again. Oh, here we go. This is where it is.
I'm stuck in the door. Door.
Okay, so I'm gonna keep that. And then I'm gonna do a bunch of backspaces. There we go. So now we have this again. If we go up here, don't place air, cave air. You don't want to place if it's already a sapling. I guess it's fine if you place over leaves, whatever. Water, yeah. Okay. Yeah, let's try that. So then, if, oh yeah, that's right. If don't place dot contains b2 dot get type then continue, no, return. Yes. Well, actually, is it return? No, it is continue because we're in a list. We don't want to just, we want to make this work for multiple people. So continue, not return. Okay, there we go. Oh. And too many trees dot scaffold. So if scaffold is off, so that not. And yeah, okay. So let's try. I can't believe I accidentally made scaffold. That's so freaking funny. Okay. I should have a video called Making Hacks in Minecraft. That won't get me banned. Okay. Plug me. Reload. Toggle. I should just be able to fall now. And then if I do this, it should place. There we go. So I can't scaffold. Oh, okay. That was the grass. That's why. Yeah, it places on grass still, but that's fine. See, this is way more predictable. We should also add grass to that so that it doesn't replace grass with dirt, because that's just derpy. I mean, it's technically not game breaking, it's just distracting. Material dot, oh, hold on, not capitalized, material, there you go, material dot grass. That is so funny. Oh, it's probably grass block, because grass is tall grass, but not tall. If that makes sense. It's the one block tall. Anyway. Accidentally, sure. Yeah, okay, there we go. Enabled. Oh. Now, hold on. That wasn't the intended effect. I just turned it off completely. Okay, no, I don't want to do that. Never mind. Oh. What did I just do? See, this is the fun part of programming. I'm just experimenting at this point. Okay, we can go back down. If B2, okay. Oh yeah, this is where I would put it, right? Yeah. If b2.get get type is equal to material dot grass. So if it is not equal to grass, then there you go. Oh. Oh. That should do what I want. This is a lot more fun than I thought it would be, to be honest. Spaghetti code. Get out of here. There we go. Oh, it's still... Oh, that's weird. It still didn't work. Oh, because I did grass and not grass block. I'm smart. Grass underscore block. Hey, I'm doing this to have fun, not to make a friggin' graded project. You know, I don't care if you give me a D as long as it works. Or an F. There we go. See, that makes more sense. There we go. It puts saplings at my feet. Now, there's a few exceptions, I think. Like that. I'm able to stand on top of grass. Actually, I could add that. I can add that to the exception list over here. Material.grass. And not the block that time. There we go. So the only safe haven is the water. Now, I would love to add the scaffold mode. That's going to be fun. Oh, and there's going to be flowers too. Oh. See, that's the annoying part about programming in a game like Minecraft. There's no way just to be like, hey, can you not plant on all blocks that are just not really blocks? You know, like saplings and flowers and stuff. Like, there's no way to just designate that. I mean, maybe there is. Okay, we're going to add some settings. So I'm going to go in the config here, and instead of custom setting, I'm going to have scaffold mode. See, this is fine, because this isn't a mod. This is on my own server. You can't inject a plugin into Hypixel. That's not how it works. So we're going to set it to false to begin with. Place blocks under you even in the air. There you go. So that's scaffold mode, and then we're going to have random saplings. I'm going to have that false as well. Place all sapling types randomly. And then if I want to make that a thing, all I have to do is go into my load configuration file here, or not file, method, and then custom setting is equal to whatever. So over here, I can do random saplings is equal to config.get boolean random saplings, right? Is that what I called it? Let's see. I did call it random saplings. Nice. And then, of course, we can do scaffold is equal to config.get boolean scaffold. Did I call it scaffold or scaffold mode? Mode is what I did. Scaffold mode. There we go. So now the config should work with that. I should be able to toggle those things without having to rebuild the plugin, which is nice. So here's the cool thing about the way I made my template here. So I can go into plugins, and then I can go to too many trees. And you'll see there's a config there. I could just freaking delete it. So then what I could do is plugman reload. And then I can do /too many trees reload. It'll generate a new config. So I can open the config, and as you can see, my settings are there. So let's turn scaffold mode on, see how that works out for us. Reload again. And toggle. Oh yeah, now we have settings that work. That is satisfying. Okay, so here's something else I can do. I can turn random saplings on as well, and then do another reload. And now it's going to plant... Oh, it's lagging. Oh, jeez, it's lagging. The TPS of the server is dying. And now I'm planting all sorts of saplings. So much crap is happening right now. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, I'm doing this... Alright, so this isn't perfect code, I'm gonna be honest, right? This isn't meant to be perfect code. It's meant to be entertaining to watch. And I think this is entertaining to watch, if you ask me. So then we could turn off scaffold mode. We don't need that. False. There we go. Then we just plant random trees at our feet again. So that's the... I think that's it. Do I need to do anything else? I mean, I could, you know, do some performance increases or whatever, but... Ooh, that's strange. Oh, that's right. The saplings that are not oak are... They can be overwritten. You don't need to include dark oak. True. Yeah, true. Okay, hold on. Let's fix that. Let's go to down here. Okay, so I'll just... Where's dark oak? You don't need that. And then we'll just do 4, 5. Make this generate from 1 to 4 plus 2. There you go. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of things I could do to make this more efficient, but whatever. It's fine. I just toggled it by accident. Alright. And then we can do that. Plant random saplings at our feet. I love the scaffold mode. That's so fun. I'm turning that back on. Screw it. I think we've already basically finished the plugin. I'm going to be honest. It's working. It's working exactly as I intended. Well, minus the weird... I didn't mean to do that, but that works too. I mean, look at that. Isn't this fun? I'm planting trees and hacking. Quote hacking. It's not actually hacking. This is a plugin, not a mod. Don't ban me, Hypixel. But I've accidentally developed Scaffold. Can't you easily break bedrock? Well, yeah, here's the thing. It's meant to be a challenge, you know? If you can break the game with it, it doesn't matter because you failed the challenge. So, whatever. Now, if I wanted to be fancy, I could add, you know, a command that just toggles scaffold mode. That would actually make a lot more sense than a... That would make a lot more sense than a config option, I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, I could do that. Nah. I feel like YouTubers probably wouldn't do this because they're scared of getting banned on Hypixel. But again, this is not something that can help you in Hypixel because this plugin only works on this server because it's a plugin and not a mod. So, yeah. Anyway, before I get banned, I probably should turn that off. False. Alright, guys, is that it? Did we do it? In like an hour? While messing around a lot? I mean, technically, I could make it a little fancier and add more blocks to the list of things to not plant on, like other saplings. But, I mean, it should probably replace grass. Yeah, it's not actually placing saplings on the grass. Here, hold on. Wait, hold on. How does that work? Oh, no, it shouldn't it plant right there? It's not planting saplings there. That's a little weird. I'm starting to question myself now. Congratulations on 100K. Thanks, man. Yeah, I don't know why it's not doing that. That's weird. Let me see. Tree place tick. Oh, I think... Wait, no. That shouldn't matter. Oh, it's because of this. I see. I could just add another or. This is terrible coding practice, but whatever. Material.grass. Technically, that'd fix it, but the actual coders in the audience are probably cringing right now. But again, it's meant for fun. This isn't a programming assignment. I'm not making this for some company. I'm just doing it for fun. Look at that. And then if I want to be fancy, I can go up here and then make it so that, okay. To this list, we can add material dot sapling. We'll do spruce. Material dot sapling, acacia sapling, material dot sapling, and then we do birch. And we'll skip dark oak, screw it. There we go. Might have done that a little too soon. So I shouldn't be able to jump in place anymore unless it's something that's not in the list. For example, roses weren't added. So I can add those. Rose? Oh no, it's a poppy. It's so annoying how they renamed it. That was not necessary. Material dot dandelion. There we go. So the classic flowers aren't going to become dirt anymore. Also, that's the other thing about programming. You think you're done, but then you're like, oh, I could add this little feature, and it never stops. Like, it actually never stops. What am I coding this on? I'm in IntelliJ right now, and I'm making a spigot plugin. Yeah, look at this. See, we're creating life in an otherwise desolate desert. Making a trail of trees all around us. Oh, hey! OCM11, thank you for subbing with Twitch Prime. Oh, yeah. Now, what else can we do for this plugin? You know what? I really am. I'm feeling bothered by this. I should add a command for it. It's going to be redundant because there's also a config option, but who cares at this point? Yeah, so we're going to do toggle, and we're also going to have scaffold. There we go. And then all we do is... Oh. There we go. Instead of enabled, we do scaffold is equal to not scaffold. Same goes for random. Case random. I'll just keep it at random, even though it's random saplings, yeah. There we go. And then all I have to do is go into the tab complete, add them to our little list here. Sorry, it's tiny. Scaffold and random. There we go. Then we should have 2 more commands that also work. Oh, we got to add them to the help menu if you want to be technical, right? Then we go down here, and then we have toggle. And then we have scaffold. And then we have random. There it is. Build. Nice. So then I can do / too many trees scaffold and toggle it like that, which means I probably should just remove... Yeah, you know what? Screw it. Hold on. Let's remove these. We don't need them. So, yeah, that's just going to be redundant, and it's going to bother me, so we'll get rid of that. Oh, yeah, template plugin. Not a thing. We should have that be too many trees. There we go. All right, nice. What else can we do? Nope, that's not what I wanted. And then we can do / scaffold. Ha Cooling Kermit, thank you for the super chat. Let it plant on water with scaffold. That's true, actually. All right, I can do that. Where is it? Oh, wrong file. Down here. Tree place tick. Oh, there we go. If don't place contains... Petition to read my message, virus. I'm sorry, the chat's going very fast. Add stone to the list? Nah, the challenge has to make it so that it's hard to play Minecraft because of the trees. And if you make it so stone is not something you can place trees on, then that'd make it too easy. You just only be on stone. Anyway, let's see. Don't place is what has water in it. Oh, you know what? I have a good idea. Blah. Oh. Oh, I have an idea. Maybe no. I'm trying to think of how to do this without. I mean, this is gonna be really messy, but technically, I could just do if b2.getType is equal to material.water, and then I can do that, and then I can be like, oh wait, actually, do I need that? Yeah, I do that. If b2.getType, I'm being stupid. I could just do this. There we go. So that should work. That should have the intended effect. Should make it so that when that's not what I wanted. Should make it when I'm over water with scaffold mode on, it should work. Okay, so let's find some water. Over here. Do you have any advice for starting streaming? I want to live stream me making Minecraft animations. Streamlabs OBS. Get yourself a half decent mic. Some of them are really cheap, like $10 if you get like a lapel mic. Alright, so I have scaffold mode on. I gotta get... It's kind of hard to get to the water when I'm like this. No! Ah! Oh, you know what I should do? I should make it so when you're holding shift it doesn't work. That'd make this a lot easier. Okay. So where is if scaffold? Where is the scaffold part? Oh! Right. I should add and player dot is sneaking is false. Oh no, if the player is sneaking, then continue. There we go. So if I'm sneaking, I can go down. That'll make this a lot easier. There we go. So I should be able to do this, and then when I do this... Wait, it's still doing it. Hold on. Oh. Oh. I see. That's not where it's supposed to go. See, I am trying to be entertaining while programming, which is kind of difficult. Where's the part that replaces the block? B2. There we go. It's supposed to be here. There we go. And the player's not sneaking. There we go. Streaming while programming is something I've only done once before this, and it was for like 12 hours. And it was kind of difficult to do. There we go. So if I shift, it's still doing it. What? That's not what I wanted. Oh, wait, did I build? I did. Did I reload? Pretty sure I did. So that means I still did it wrong. Yeah, hold on. What is this? If the material is equal to... Oh. Yeah, see, this is a problem with, like, quote, spaghetti code, because then it gets really difficult to fix it. Oh, it's because that knot is right there. There it is. Maybe? Maybe that fixed it? There we go. It still places the sapling, though, but you know what? That's progress. Then I can just do this. There we That worked. 30 using Scaffold. No, I technically made this. It just looks like Scaffold. This is a plugin, not an actual cheat. So, anyway, should probably turn that off. Well, there we go. I think we can leave that little detail in, whatever. It's not that big a deal. What coding environment is this? It's IntelliJ IDEA. Well, now we can... You know what I should do? Trees random. There we go. So now, this is a challenge in Minecraft. Now, what's cool about this is you can set the random tick speed to be much higher, which would make this a little crazy. So, tick... Oh, yeah, game rule, right? Game rule... Tick speed? No. Random tick speed? What is the default random tick speed? Isn't it like 10? I don't remember. I'm going to set it to 100. Oh, boy. I don't think that's working. Oh, hello. Oh, it's definitely having an effect. So let's do 1,000. Okay. This is actually a death challenge now. Oh, no. Oh, this is very dangerous, and I'm lagging, like, really badly. Oh, no, 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 no. It's 3. Okay. Oh, my lordies. Look at that. Oh. We're gonna make this even more scuffed. Hold on. We're just gonna do this. Oh, jeez, I'm swimming in air. Yes, because this... Only with Minecraft plugins can you do weird crap like this. I'm just gonna do a little spiral and then just see what it looks like. Oh, my lordies. Wow. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna turn that off, and we're gonna... Oh! We're gonna set that back to 3. Whoa! Look at that. Look at this. Look what I just did. I just created like a... I don't know what this is. I don't think anyone's ever done this before. This is... Whoa. Title this Making Pointless Hacked Clients. It's not a hacked client. It's a plugin. I hope that Hypixel doesn't actually, like, react badly to this, because, again, it's a plugin. It's not an actual mod. Oh, my goodness. It's a Spigot plugin. That reaction when I figured out that I accidentally created Scaffold was the funniest thing, though. Oh, my God. Well, anyway... Anything else I need to do before this plugin's ready for Spigot? I'm going to upload it so that people can actually do this as a challenge if they wanted. Like, to play Minecraft like this. And then they can up the tick speed. Are there any settings I should have? I don't know. I don't think it's necessary, really. I mean... Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, that was weird. I don't know what that was. Ooh, a counter for how many trees were placed. That's a good idea. I just don't know how I can accurately represent that in a nice looking way. Because I haven't done the scoreboard thing. So I don't know how to do that. What I can do, though, is make it so that it shows, like... Fix the sapling planting when you shift. Yeah. No, but then that... Oh, hold on. That's not an intended effect. Hold on, that's bad. I don't want that. Where's the shifting part? Oh, and the player's not seeking... Or sneaking... We'll fix that. Yeah. too many trees dot scaffold is on. There we go. Actually, that's supposed to be an or. That? This is getting confusing now. If the player's not sneaking, or scaffold is off. I don't know what that's gonna do, but let's see. I don't know if that's gonna have the effect. It's getting into. That's not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted. That is not at all what I wanted. No. Reload that, and then toggle it. So if I shift, what does that do? Okay, so that broke it, I think. Well, actually, maybe that did fix it. Now if I turn on scaffold. Bro, out of context, this must look really bad. Oh, so that didn't do anything. Okay. Speed 6. Just use an action bar. I don't know what that is. Let's add an and in there. Why not? I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh, I just opened voice meter. That was not supposed to happen. Wait a minute. That's placing the dirt, not the sapling. I'm an idiot. That's not even where I'm supposed to be. Okay, hold on. I need to go to the sapling part. Oh, that's over here. Okay. If random saplings... Oh, this is simple. I can just add it here. If too many trees dot, there we go, and player dot is sneaking, continue. That shouldn't have been that hard. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. Again, trying to stream while programming is a weird situation that, like, not nobody, but very, very few people have to go through. Like, less than 1% of people. There we go, we fixed it. Hey! Nice. There it is. Use packets. Ooh, I don't touch NMS. No. I don't touch that. That's scary programming. Also, it's not very friendly to multi-version stuff. You guys really want me to set my speed higher. I don't think I have essentials installed, so that's a rip. Is that speed? No. Yeah. Ah! I meant to do that. So is there anything else to do? I mean, there's a few other blocks that would be kind of derpy if I stood on it like this. Dead bushes. A little derpy, but not that bad. Well, Skier, yeah. Skier's one of the few people that probably does this. I mean, I know he codes, but I don't know about programming him coding. I think he's done that before. Try to have a chance for him to insta-grow. Nah, I'll just leave that to random tick speed. I don't have to do that in the plugin. Ooh, did I just break it? No, I think the server's just having a tough time catching up. Oh. Effect give ThirtyVirus speed. Oh, that's right. It only gives me... Now, this is going to look really suspicious. Look at that. Oh, my God. That looks so bad. If I was on Hypixel right now, Watchdog would get me in, like, 2 seconds. Oh, my God. Again, this is not a mod. It's a plugin. I'm not developing hacks. Please don't ban me. Thank you. Anyway. Did I say plugins? I'm developing a plugin, not a mod. Did I say it backwards? I think I did. Whatever. You know what I mean. It's something that won't work if you try to log into Hypixel. It only works on this local server I'm running. Imagine the treehouse I could build, yes. Programming him coding. Did I say that? I meant streaming. You know, I can't speak. Multitasking is not one of my strong suits. So, okay. Everybody in the chat, give me a yes or a no. Is it done? Yeah? Is the plugin done? Or should I add something else? Because I think playing Minecraft like this and then changing the tick speed would be kind of fun for a stream. And I might do that with Fezzy. I love this. Yes. Hashtag green the desert. Yes. Okay, if no, what do I need to add? Oh, the counter, that's right. Oh, and also I'm pretty sure this crashes the game if I try to go down to bedrock. Also, I can't dig straight down, which is a slight problem. Oh, that's still a bug. Okay, yeah, sneaking should not do that. I gotta be careful here. Okay. If material and player's not sneaking. Oh, that's right. And not scaffold, right? If the player's not sneaking. You know, I could just do another really gross if statement just after the fact. This is some terrible looking code, but whatever. That's the problem, is that it's not placing dirt when I'm sneaking, which is kind of cheatsy. Wait, I can actually get rid of this, I think. Because I fixed it in the other if statement. There we go. There we go. So now when I'm shifting, it works still. Yep, there we go. And then if I turn on the other thing. Oh! Well, that's not that's not right either. This is annoying. So it still places the dirt. Actually, I have a better idea. I just do this. Yeah, I can just do this. If too many trees, that, and player dot is sneaking. If not that, then place the thing. That should fix it. Yeah, there we go. Ifs inside of ifs. It looks very gross, but whatever. It's efficient. I'm doing this to have fun. Okay, there we go. That should do it. Should be fine now. I do that. Shift. Yep. And good. All right, there we go. We fixed it. It kind of has to be because that's what. Hold on. So I need to add the counter. That's the problem. I could easily code a counter. Let's do that, actually. And a command to reset the counter. That'd make more sense, too. Okay, so we're going to go into here and add another public static. Triggering more developers. Public static int counter. Wow, we're going to call it tree counter. Is equal to 0. Alright, and then we're going to add a little command, and it's going to be called reset counter. Blah. Oh, excuse me. Reset counter. And then we're just going to do is equal to 0. And then in here. Oh. I just caught that little bug there. Okay. Reset counter. Counter set to 0. Alright. Make it 3 by 3 instead of 1 by 1. That would kill performance really badly. I don't think you guys want that. I should probably also do this. There we go. That's more room. Okay, so we have a counter. We can reset the counter. Now we just gotta add to it whenever a tree is placed. So I guess we just do this, right? It's placed a sapling, so then we can do too many trees dot counter plus. Now we just need a way to display it. Yeah, but how do we display it? That's the thing that's annoying. This is cool. Well, thank you. This is a cool little project. It's only... I mean, I'm not getting nearly as many viewers as I normally would, but that's fine, because this is a weird thing. Boom. Woo. I'm planting so many trees. So how do we get the counter going? That's the thing. Oh. I meant to do that. I also meant to do that. Oh, so I see how you can get around this. This will be a strategy during the thing. You, like, intentionally hover over this so you can go down. Yeah, I see how it's gonna be. Yeah, okay. This is gonna be such an annoying challenge. Oh, I'd love to see someone beat Minecraft like this. It'd be so irritating. Nuke hackbo with trees. I mean, I could be really annoying and just have it go in the chat, but that seems... That just doesn't seem necessary. Because it would absolutely spam the chat. I mean, at this point, we might as well. Bucket dot send... Or no, bucket dot announce. I don't remember how to announce to, like, the whole server. What I could do is just do this. I can go player dot send message. Trees planted plus too many trees dot counter. There we go. It's gonna be obnoxious, but it will work. Oh my god, that's so obnoxious. It literally... It shows how many... Oh. It shows how many saplings I planted. Oh my god, look at that. Hey guys, I planted 100 trees in Minecraft. Oh, it's bucket.broadcast message. Thank you. Now that I think about it, though, that could get really annoying in the for loop. I'm going to put that outside the for loop. It's bucket.broadcast message. There it is. Nice. You should make a tree counter. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing, Fezzy. Also, welcome to the stream. There it is. Oh, Fezzy, you want to see something really sketch? Yeah, I accidentally invented Scaffold. So that's a thing. I should give myself speed. Alright. Oh, it's the seconds and then the amplifier. Oh! Oh boy. That is... Oh. Oh my goodness. What is happening? Oh. Oh, I'm gone. Holy crap. I can't even, like, control my characters going so fast. I think I did it. I think we did it. Oh boy. Oh, I just trapped myself. Okay, I think that's a little too much. That's a, oh, I can't get rid of it now. Oh wait, actually I did. I gave myself 10 instead of. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I'm like the Superman of trees. I could just fly and leave saplings in my path. This is how you're supposed to play Minecraft. Oh. I'm the tree flash. Okay, now in the chat, are we done? This plugin is... It pains me that it spams the chat, but whatever. Is the plugin done now? Oh my god. That's insane. I think the plugin's done. Let's be real here. I'm gonna try and follow my own path and go back to the start. This is insane. This is like... I've never seen something this insane before. In Minecraft. This is a unique experience. I've never had something like this happen before. Okay. Had end and nether support, it automatically will work in the end and nether. Look at that. I could just follow my own path. Nice. Okay, I think we're done here. I think we've done it, boys. We have the plugin. And I think it's time to release this thing on Spigot MC for people to download, because why not? I've never done boss health counters before. I'm sorry. I don't know how to do that. I'm not really willing to learn right now. I mean, look at how far this path is. I've just been following this for like 5 minutes. I've almost planted 2,000 trees already. There we are. Hello. Oh, yes. Okay. Effect clear. Oh, God. What? What'd that say? I don't know how to... Uh-oh. Effect clear. Speed. ThirtyVirus. There we go. Okay. We fixed it. We're done. Alright. Unless anybody has any other suggestions, I think the plugin is complete. Make a command to toggle the counter. That's not a bad idea, actually. Yeah, let's do that. Public static boolean show counter is equal to false. And then we go into the command here, and then we do, instead of reset counter, we're gonna go, actually, it'd probably be better just to take that. Show counter. There we go. Counter enabled. Show counter. Show counter. Yeah. And then I just got to do this. If too many trees dot show counter. There we go. That's a thing now. If you don't place one tree every minute, you die. So no AFKing then. No, extending the radius would actually kill the game. That's way too many. I'd be planting like 9 saplings every 10th of a second. That's gonna crash the game, guaranteed. Okay, I think we're done here. Look at the madness I've left. There we go. We've toggled the plugin. I mean, look at this. What is this? Oh my god. This is ugly. I don't know what the heck this is supposed to be. It's like... Oh man. Well, today was a success. We've made the ultimate tree planting plugin for any craft bucket or spigot server. With zero regard for the world, it just plants, and that's it. Alright, well, I think we're done here. So, I'm just gonna turn this on again. Too many trees, toggle. Well, leave a like down below if you guys enjoyed the stream. As I said, I'm gonna be releasing this on Spigot MC. If I do find any bugs, I'll fix them. But I think you guys got to see what you wanted to see today. I made a plugin for Team Trees. It's kinda neat. Well, anyway, I guess that's it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys later.